everyone, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how I make my cheesy sausage bun. These buns are made with an enriched dough, and in general the bun itself can be used for a whole bunch of things. Alright, I did choose to put some sausage and cheese into mine. You can put any filling that you want into your bun. This is such a tasty treat, so give it a try. Let's get right into the kitchen. So over here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, 1 egg. I'm going to save a little bit of this egg just to do the egg wash, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So these are my ingredients here that I'm going to use to make my rich, cheesy sausage bun. So over into the mixer, I'm going to pour the flour. Then I'm going to add the sugar right up in here along with the yeast. And just give it a little stir. Now I'm going to add my melted butter. Now add the egg, add the essence, so I'm using the hook paddle and I'm going to let this mix for about 4 minutes. Don't you forget the salt. After mixing for 4 minutes on low speed, this is what the mixture looks like. And this is a really good texture, guys. So at this time, I'm going to add the milk. Mix again for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of mixing, I'll stop and just scrape and make sure that there is no raw flour left at the bottom of the pan. Then put it to mix again for another 2 minutes. So I'm mixing at medium-high just for 1 minute. So now my mixture is done. And you know you get a very good mixture when it's not sticking to the pan or your hand, just like this. Alright, so I'm going to flour the surface. Then pour the mixture right over onto the floured surface. And you just want to give this just like about 1 minute of kneading, not much. Once this is done, I'm going to place it into a dish, cover with a cling wrap, and leave to rise for 1 hour. So here I have 3 sausages. I have the sharp cheddar cheese and the white cheddar cheese here, along with some cilantro. You don't want to use much cilantro to overpower the cheese and the sausage. So I'll use the box grater, and I'm using the coarser side of the grater to grate the sausage and the cheese. So I'm going to mix the sausage and the cilantro together. So over to my work surface, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of flour. And you know you got a good dough when it dries. You put your finger in it and yes, it's pliable, guys. Right onto the work surface, I'll just press it a little. Then I'm going to get 8 pieces from this dough. Make them into a nice little ball. Now it's time for rolling. You want to roll this dough into an oblong shape. Just like this. Then I'm going to add the cheese, the sausage, some more cheese. I did add some red pepper flakes, and this is for a little heat, and this is optional. So just like this, you follow the pattern just like this, guys, and it's just simple and easy. This is so much fun. Put some egg wash or some ice cold water at the tip of the dough, then roll it again right over like this. Squeeze the ends and just turn them in like this. Place them onto your pan, and here you have it. Simple, easy, and fun to make. Let them rise again for another hour. After it's done, you just baste them with some egg wash, pop them into a 350 degrees oven, and let them bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the top is golden brown. So now my cheese and sausage bun is finished. Look at how beautiful they are. Guys, let me show you. This is the perfect flaky bun. You can use this type of pastry to make sausage rolls. You can do plats, you can make turnovers, you can use any filling in them. It's more a morning bun, guys. Give it a try. Look at what the inside looks like with the sausage and the cheese. You can see that it's falling apart because it is so crumbly and nice. It is a delectable bun. Give it a try, guys, and I know once you give it a try, once you follow the instructions, it's gonna turn out great and you would want to keep doing it over and over. The cheese and the sausage in this type of flaky pastry bun combines. It brings in that savory taste. And leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out. Give this video a thumbs up. Press that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload the next video, so that you will be the first to be notified. And check the description box down below. I will leave all details there for you. See you in my next video. Bye.